What's going on, all you redneck ruggers? We're out here at Blind River. We're about to do the best dressed. All new cars. We don't have a whole lot of cars or nothing this year, but we're still gonna make it out there for a good show. Check her out.
Construction. And tonight we're going to be giving away not just one, but two Best Dressed Car Awards. So make sure you cheer for your #1 favorite. And the personal favorite number 13, just putting that out there.
I don't think so.
All right, everybody.
72.
Get ready to cheer. We're going to be starting with car 72. Gilbert Roy is the driver. Let me hear your cheers. Do you think car 72 is #1? Sponsored by Half Fast Garage. Up next, we've got car 18. Angel Gamard is the driver. After that, number 13, sponsored by the Blind Firefighters Association. Your driver here is Jack McLean.
Car number
Up next,
22.
car 22. What's that?
4H.
We got 4H or 44, however you want to take it. And last but definitely not least,
11-1.
car 11-1. Driven by Brad Beckett.
I think we might know.
Okay, one more time. We got a tie, I think. We got number 13. Okay, back to 11-1. Yeah. And the winner is car 11-1, sponsored by Leroy Construction. Second place, number 13, sponsored by the Blind River Firefighters Association. Woo!